So Sun Pharma, I think now we have Sun Pharma also. So this is a very simple error. The reason why that error happens is when the internet and the code gets disconnected, we get that error. So once you click on auto refresh again, it gets reconnected. So DLF we have a cell. So the metal pack is down, that is Tata Steel and Hindalco. It's very simple, like let's say in case of Nifty is trading at 6,200 levels. So your strike price, the best strike price would be 6,200 strike. So since now you got a buy call, what you will do is you will buy one call option at 6,200 strike. So you will buy one call option at 6,200 strike. And in case, if let's say Nifty comes to 6191, in case Nifty comes to 6191, you'll buy and put option. So that is how we trade. Same for other scripts. Now for SBI, the best strike price would be around 1500. So 1500 you buy a call option, or 1500 you buy a put option if it is well. So now we have got a buy call on SBI. So now you can go and buy a call option at 1500 strike. So we got some calls and sorry, trading team. LBK buy. So now the whole of banking pack is in green. You got buy calls in SBI, HDFC, ICICI, Axis, and Yes Bank. See, the idea of having different sectors or industry domains is that on days like this, when the Nifty is in good shape and bank Nifty is up, rest all banking scripts also will be in green. So you can pair trade. Instead of waiting till SBI giving an signal, you could have already bought it at much lesser price also. But that's a risky thing. But if you are ready to take risk, you are definitely will get profits also. See, these two softwares are very different softwares. This is what you are seeing is FuturesTree. There are only 30 scripts in this, and you cannot add any scripts in that. This is the maximum what we have, because it fills on only one script. You should be able to see all the scripts which come for trading. So it's fit in such a way that it will fit into one single window. So you cannot have more than 30 scripts in this. And the other thing, someone asked me another question. Yeah, I was talking about the FuturesTree. This is FuturesTree, and what you're seeing here is the trading tree. So both are different softwares, both cost different. Here, FuturesTree is only for pure intraday trading, but you can do the spot market, you can do in the futures market, and you can even do options also. So for people who are full-time intraday traders, they can take FuturesTree initially, and later on, since you will be needing the levels of how the trades are going, so at that time you can even take trading tree and then use it, because you'll get much more profits of you can make more profits with the charts, because here you can do even positional trades and you can do intraday trades also, and you'll be able to see what is the volumes running, or which you have the trailing stop loss line here. That is the red line. What you are seeing is a trailing stop loss line. So the two softwares are completely different softwares. You'll have to choose any one of them. Or some of my clients have both the softwares, so they use both of them to trade. So meanwhile, we were seeing that Tata Steel made its target 7 also. That is a final target. From here on, what you do is you just change your stop loss to your final target. This is your final target. So if you are ready to lose that 1 rupee, put your stop loss at final target and just let it go wherever it wants to go. So if you are losing, you lose just 1 rupee, or else if it's still down, you can keep on trailing the stop loss away. So now WIPRO is 14 years high, 599. So that is 600. Roughly the next level is 600. So WIPRO is performing well. I mean, from the last 1 week, we have seen some very good trades in WIPRO. We have good trades on Tata Steel, ITC and PHARMA also, Sun Pharma also. And one thing, BHARTI was gap up and gap down 2-3 days. Reliance is calm. So now what we do is Reliance is not giving much of profits, but once it gets into an active mode, then you can't stop Reliance for 2-3 days. So the IT pack is good and the pharma pack is good as of now, the global markets. If you want to trade other than these scripts, I don't have an option. You are asking me to show the NSE margin in the NSE website. You can browse it, it's there. Well, that's an other big headache for me to get into the NSE site. We have a formula for there will be a margin file. Browsing this site itself is a big difficult thing. So it is definitely there. We have taken the link from that only. So you can just check it, or else I'll just see that and let you know some other time. I will show you some other time. See, for FuturesTree, it is very simple. We have monthly payments also. That will be 15,000 rupees per month. Or if you want to go for 1 year subscription, it will be 60,000. That is for FuturesTree. And for trading tree, it is 10,000 and 60,000. But the advantage with trading tree is you can trade in all the segments. You can trade in equity, F&O, commodity, NCDX, and currency. So all the segments you can trade. You can trade on both intraday and positional calls. So that is the difference what we have. So ITC and Sun Pharma made their intermediate targets. See, option prices changes every day. So I will not be able to actually tell you what will be the average requirement, that is average requirement for trading in options. So what you can do is go to the NSE site. I will just show you. So I'm just showing you some top 20 stock options. So for this strike prices, this is the option price. So 1.6 into 125 is the lot. So that will be your margin required for one lot of SBI at 1550 strike. So you will have to calculate. And this is, we are getting this price at the last day of the contract. But on the other day, if you see the same thing on Monday, or sorry, Friday, it will not be this, it will be 10 times this. So keep watching the chart also, that will always help. So it can easily tell you which way the trend is moving. So right now INFY has started coming up. INFY is now at target 2. 802 will be the intermediate target. So SBI will make the intermediate target. We know that WIPRO already made 599.7. So it should definitely cross 600 levels. Let me just open the charts for all the other squares. Then I'll be able to show you how to trade with both trading tree and futures tree. So here your SBI has done 1523. Now it is 1524.